Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about a free alternative to using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So if you don't have Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and you need a free version, you can use PDF Escape. It's free, it has some limitations, but we used this a lot before we got Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So this is the website right here. I'll have it in the link down in the description below. Click on the PDF Escape Online PDF Editor. Click on Free Online. From here, you're going to upload a new PDF to start making it fillable. So I'm going to click Upload PDF, choose File, uploading the file. Alright, so I've just scrolled down here to a place where I want to make it fillable. To start making it fillable within PDF Escape, you want to click on Form Field. Click on that, and then it's going to ask you, okay, what type do you want? And in this case, it's just going to be the name, but if you click on this, there's a bunch of different things. So you can get text, text paragraph, checkbox, radio, drop down, list box, reset button, submit button. So I want it to just be text. Click select, and then from here you're going to click onto the PDF and then start dragging to make the shape of the box that you want to fill in. So just doing it on the fly here, but obviously you want to make it fit, and then boom, there you go, turns green. And then from here you can alter things like the font, the size, and if you want to make it bold or italics, and the text color. So that one is done, and if you accidentally click your mouse and you click left again, it's going to make another one, and that's okay. If you didn't want that, just right click on it and then click delete object. You can also right click on it and then duplicate it if you need it to be the same thing again for right below. You would just do that. And let's go on to another part of the page here and click form field again. And let's say I wanted the checkbox. So I would click select, type, and then I would go down to checkbox, click select, and then I would click here and then drag it. Now if you want to be more precise, you need to zoom in, but basically me making that box makes it into a checkbox there, and if you uncheck it, then it removes the checkbox. So you want to make sure that you click it again so that it actually removes the checkbox. And if you want to, again, if you click your left click on the mouse, it's going to create another one, but just right click and then you can just delete it. You can also click on these percentages to zoom in closer so that you can get more accurate. So as I'm zoomed in, I can place it more accurately. So let's say I'm done going through everything. I've added all of the fillable fields. You then want to head over to the left-hand side over here and click Save and Download PDF. And then from there, it's just going to start downloading, and you've got your fillable PDF. So that is a completely free alternative to the paid version of Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by giving this video a like, a comment, or a subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.